Hello, this is Akash, and I'll be beginning our presentation on the SmartPark system. So the SmartPark, a quick overview, is a app that will let you find parking in highly congested areas. So, who's on the team? First, we have Harman. He'll be leading the development of the IoT system itself, and he'll be overseeing the technical execution of the system. He's also the project manager, so he'll oversee task coordinations, resource allocations, and ensure successful project execution. He'll also focus on strategic planning for this venture, including market research and financial planning. Then we have me. I'll be focusing on building partnerships with parking lot operators, municipalities, and stakeholders to integrate our systems into their facilities. I'll also be pursuing funding opportunities, including contracts, grants, venture capitals, and other things, while also developing strategies to scale the system from high demand areas like downtown Vancouver to other Canadian cities. By leveraging these systems, I'll help commercialize the solution and establish it as a leader in Canada's smart city ecosystem. Next, we have CarterCare. CarterCare will oversee the development of the application itself that connects users to the IoT parking system, focusing on creating an intuitive and engaging user experience. With background in mobile app development, I believe he'll be very good at this. Next, we have Harry. Harry will lead the development of the IoT systems that form the backbone of the smart parking solution. With a deep understanding of IoT technology, sensor network, and cloud computing, Harry's expertise in building scalable and real-time data will be crucial for this. And he's responsible for ensuring that IoT sensors, cloud platforms, and data transmission protocols work seamless together to provide accurate, real-time information for users. So, next I'll quickly go over the description of the problem, the need, and the market. So the primary problem we plan to solve is the inefficiency in locating parking, which contributes to wasted time, increased traffic congestion, and unnecessary emissions. Drivers often spend a significant amount of time searching for parking, particularly in busy urban areas, leading to frustration and higher fuel consumptions. Simultaneously, parking lot operators struggle to fully utilize their space and maximize revenue, particularly during peak demand times. So, our solution will target these issues and make parking more efficient and environmentally friendly, with our selling proposition being that we want to combine real-time availability data and predictive analytics and dynamic pricing. So our benefits include like reduced search times, optimized parking, as I said before, and dynamic pricing too.
Okay, so this is Harry. I'll introduce the business model and the profitability for our project. So our business model focuses on generating revenue through like three main streams. First one is installation fees. It's like 800 per sensor. And second one is annual subscriptions of $100 per sensor and per sensor, and also the last one is advertising opportunities based on the data collected. With each sensor costing $300, we break even after installing like 290 sensors, and we'll get a positive cash flow within 2 years. Next slide, please. Right, so our competitive and the strategy. So our competitive lies in providing like not only real-time parking availability data, but also advanced predictive analytics to forecast future space availability. This empowers parking operators to optimize lot management by anticipating demand based on the historical data, weather, and local events. Additionally, our system includes dynamic pricing, allow operators to adjust rates in real time based on demand. This feature maximizes revenue by increasing prices during peak hours and offering discounts during off-peak times, ensuring more balanced space usage. So to enter the market, we will initially target high demand urban area in BC, such as like downtown Vancouver. We plan to expand into other cities and form partnership with municipalities, integrating our solution into both private and public parking infrastructures. Finally, our revenue model is to ensure financial sustainability. This includes installation contracts with operators and subscription fees for premium features and recurring maintenance agreements. And yeah, I think this is our competition and the strategy.
So today I'll walk you through the technology and processes which make SmartPark an innovative solution for modern parking management. Our system integrates IoT sensors, a cloud-based platform, and a mobile app, and some regulatory compliance to deliver a seamless parking experience. So number one, IoT sensors and cloud platform. Our first key component is the integration of IoT sensors and a centralized cloud platform. These sensors are strategically installed to continuously monitor the parking spaces and provide the real-time availability updates to users and also the operators. Imagine driving into a busy downtown area and knowing exactly where to park without the frustration of aimless searching. Our technology makes that possible. And the data generated by these sensors flows into a secure cloud-based system, which processes it quickly and ensures smooth integration with other components by implementing predictive and maintenance protocols. And SmartPark can identify potential technical failures before they can occur. For example, if a sensor's performance begins to degrade, our system will flag it for inspection, minimizing downtime and ensuring our users can always rely on our accurate updates. This process enhances the overall system reliability and boosts user satisfaction. And number two, mobile app. Uh, the Smart Park app is designed with both drivers and parking operators in mind. This app provides a real-time updates for parking availability, guiding users directly to open spaces and significantly reducing the time spent circling parking lots. This not only saves times, but also reduces the vehicle emissions, contributing to a greener environment. And for parking operators, this app offers advanced predictive analytics. So these enable to optimize the space utilization by identifying the patterns in the parking behavior, which can be used to make data-driven decisions. Operators can also leverage the dynamic pricing strategies, adjusting rates based on demand, maximize our revenues during peak hours. Okay, lastly, our regulatory compliance is a very critical aspect of any tech-based system, especially one with dealing with user data. SmartPark aligns with the Canadian government's initiatives, such as the Smart Cities Challenge, which also encourages innovation and improve urban life. With funding and support available through those programs, the environment is highly favorable for deploying the SmartPark solutions. And also at the same time, privacy and data security remain at the forefront. SmartPark is fully compliant with the Personal Information Protection and Electronics Document Act, PIPEDA. This also means that all the user data is protected through our robust encryption and anonymization processes, and also ensuring that users' personal information is not at risk. This compliance fosters the trust and the positions as a smart park and responsible for a secure solution for parking management. And lastly, to summarize, Smart Parks combines the state-of-the-art IoT sensors, a reliable cloud platform, a very user-friendly app, and full regulatory compliance to transform how the parking is managed. By leveraging predictive maintenance and advanced analytics, we ensure not just efficiency, but also sustainability and user trust.
Hello everyone, my name is Harmanpreet and I will be talking about the marketing and sales plan. Then we'll go to the financial plan and then we will go to the future of Smart Park. So our marketing strategy is focused on targeting high demand urban areas like Vancouver, downtown Vancouver, and then basically doing pilot testing there to see how our product works and then talk with the municipal operators, small parking lot operators, and the shopping malls, hospitals, and all those places which have big parking lots and deal with the urban parking congestions. So to build awareness, we plan to use a combination of digital marketing campaigns, social media campaigns, and partnerships with municipalities and parking operators. And for sales, we will directly engage with those operators, malls, and municipal authorities. We will be emphasizing our unique selling point, which is predictive analytics, which all my other members have already mentioned, that we take the data from the sensors and then we predict what time how many customers will be coming to a parking lot, which helps both our operators save money and generate revenue, as well as our customers save time for them. So to encourage adoption, we will offer incentives such as free trials to small parking lot operators, as well as discounted subscriptions for scalability to large parking lot operators. Additionally, our alignment with government incentives like Smart City Initiative, which actually gives research grant, which will also be our main funding, is a good regulatory support from the government, further enhancing our credibility. As we expand, our focus will be shifting to scaling operations in other cities during the course of 3 years and maintaining our commitment to customer satisfaction as well as sustainable growth. So for the financial projection, financially, SmartPark's model is sustainable and scalable. For the first year, there will be no profit. There will be around a loss of $4,000. But by year 2, the growth will start picking up, as Harry and others already mentioned, that the 290 sensors is our break-even point. This is because each sensor, along with this installation costs around $300 per sensor to our company, but we charge $800 per sensor, and there's a $100 per year subscription fee as well, which is why we'll be generating a revenue of $198,000 in year 1. But that will still be in loss, but we will be picking up steadily, as you can see, by month 12th and 13th, where we will generate $528,000 in revenue. And by year 3, it will be over $913,000 in revenue. So profitability will be around $69,000 in year 2 and $145,000 in year 3, which shows a steady growth. So for our current status, future milestones and funds required, SmartPark is currently in the development phase with initial efforts focused on building a functional prototype and preparing for pilot testing in Vancouver. We will be talking to a couple small parking lot operators and offering them free trials. That we will also be able to collect data and experiment on the predictive analytics. These projects are expected to cost us around $20,000, which will demonstrate their real world value to our system. And looking ahead, our key milestone would be to scaling operations to other Canadian cities outside of Vancouver in the next 3 years. To achieve this, we would require a funding of around $150,000 initially. This amount will mostly come through Canadian research grants such as Smart City initiatives, and also would be a personal loan of $50,000. So from $100,000 from the national initiatives and $50,000 from the bank loan would make our initial funding. We also plan to secure some sort of funding through partnerships and parking lot operators in the future, the big ones. And the strategic funding approach will allow us to establish a strong market presence as well as position SmartPark as a leader in smart parking solutions across Canada. Thank you.